What to do if your U.S. passport is damaged? If your U.S. passport has sustained significant damage, it is no longer considered a valid travel document. Attempting to travel with it can lead to being denied boarding at the airport or being turned away at border control. The U.S. Department of State distinguishes between normal wear and tear, like minor cover fraying, and actual damage that requires a total replacement. Conditions like water stains, ripped or torn pages, unofficial markings or writing, loose binding, or a damaged electronic chip mean the passport is completely invalid. Because a damaged passport cannot be renewed by mail, you must replace it in person using the process for a first-time applicant. This requires you to complete Form DS-11, but leave it unsigned until you're in front of an authorized passport agent. You must also write and sign a brief, direct statement explaining exactly how the passport was damaged or mutilated. When you go to your in-person appointment at an authorized acceptance facility, you need to bring a specific set of documents along with you. This includes the damaged passport itself, proof of U.S. citizenship, such as a certified birth certificate, a valid photo ID, and clear photocopies of the front and back of both your citizenship and ID documents. You will also need to provide one recent 2x2-inch color passport photo taken within the last 6 months against a plain white background, along with the required application and execution fees. If your damaged passport contains valid foreign visas, keep in mind that they may be rendered completely invalid by the damage or the eventual cancellation of the physical book. You will need to contact the respective foreign embassies directly to determine if those active visas can be officially transferred to your new passport or if you will need to reapply for them entirely. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.